Just imagine that with 5,000 naira, you can start building wealth today. Imagine that your 5,000 naira turns into millions and millions of naira over time. Do you want to start investing, but you feel like, oh, I don't have enough money? Hmm, you're wrong. What if I told you that with just 5,000 naira, you can start building wealth through mutual funds today? In this video, I will show you exactly how to start investing in mutual funds, step-by-step guide with just 5,000 naira. This is one of the best beginner-friendly investments you can start because it is easy to start, low risk. You don't need deep financial knowledge before you start. You don't need to be an expert or a guru before you start this investment. So, if you're ready to make your money work for you, hit that like button and subscribe, and let's dive in. My name is Doyinsola Toye, and on this channel, I share tips on how to make, manage, and multiply your money. So, before we start, let me explain what mutual fund is to beginners. So, see mutual fund like a big money pot where investors like you and me contribute small amounts of money. Then we have professional fund managers use that money to invest in securities like treasury bills, government bonds, stocks, and fixed income securities. Why is that great? Instead of you investing your money alone, mutual fund allows you to be a part of a well-managed portfolio that is well managed, well handled by professionals, and you don't have to undo or do any part of the hard work. Now, let me explain reasons why this investment is good for beginners. Number one is low entry cost. You don't need millions of naira before you start. Just 5,000 naira is enough. Number two is diversification. Because you are investing in different classes of assets, like I've mentioned earlier, you are reducing your risk. Number three is professional management. You have professionals who are handling your investment. So you don't need to worry about market fluctuation. It's not like stocks that you need to monitor when to sell, when to buy. Professionals are handling your money, your investment, so you don't need to worry about that. Number four is flexibility and liquidity. You can withdraw your money whenever you need. But this also depends on the kind of account you open, which I'm still going to talk about in this video. And number five is steady growth. Some mutual fund offer returns as high as 25% per year. So these are one of the reasons why it's a great investment for beginners. Now, let us talk about the different types of mutual fund account that is available and which option is best for you as a beginner. Number one is money market fund. Your money is being invested in short-term securities like treasury bills, government bonds. It is good for short-term investment, emergency savings, and the likes. The second one is equity funds. Your money is invested in something like stocks. It offers higher risk and it is best for long-term wealth building investment. The third one is balanced fund. This one, your money is being invested in a mix of stocks and bonds, so it offers medium risk. And the last one is fixed income fund. Your money is being invested in corporate and government bonds. It offers stable returns. So which one is the best option for beginner? I recommend money market fund for stability. So start with money market fund. Now, let's talk about the different fund managers or the different asset management houses that offer money market fund or that you can open a mutual fund or a money market fund account with them. Number one I'll talk about is Carrywise. In my previous video, I've talked about high yield savings accounts, and Carrywise is a high yield savings account. But on Carrywise, you have different money market fund and mutual fund that you can invest in. And all the categories of mutual fund I explained, you can find them on Carrowise. Or you can go to any of these asset management house like Stanbic IBTC, ARM, FSDH, United Capital, Meristem, in no order of performance. So these are the different types or the different fund managers that you can reach out to. Now, let's talk about the step-by-step process of opening a mutual fund account and start investing today. Number one is to choose a fund. Like I explained that we have the different type of fund, but for beginners, I highly recommend money market fund. So number one is to choose a fund. Number two is to research fund managers. So you go to their website, you check the minimum amount that you can open with. Some 5,000, some will say their minimum amount is 10,000 naira. And also some of these mutual fund or asset fund managers or fund managers also have dollar equivalent of mutual fund as well. So you check the minimum amount that you can invest. You also check the past performance of this fund on their website. You also check their management fee. Some, not all, right? Some of these fund managers charge a small amount for management fee. So more like, oh, I'm managing your account. This is my token for handling your investment and managing your investment to ensure that you invest in a well balanced portfolio, right? Some charge, some don't charge. And then you also need to check their withdrawal policy so that if it aligns with your goal, right? So that's number two. Number one is to choose a fund, either a money market fund, balance fund, equity fund. But I highly recommend money market fund. Number two is to research fund managers, right? Number three is to open an account. Just like you walk into a bank, a GT, Zenith, and then you open an account. So you also need to open an account. An account will be open for you. You have a dedicated account so that each time you want to add fund to your mutual money market fund account, that is the account that you transfer money into. And just like every requirement that you need to open an account, your BVN, your utility bill for address verification, and your valid ID card, then you will need to complete a form where you put your details and other information will be asked, right? So you can either do this online or you walk into any of their offices to open an account with them. Number four will be for you to transfer money into your money market fund account, right? And you can do this by bank transfer, direct deposit, and all that, right? Or use your card as the case may be. And once your money is confirmed, you have made your first investment in money market fund, right? And then number five would be to monitor or track your performance. Some of these fund managers, some of them have web app, some of them have mobile app, and some of them you'll be able to track your how your money is doing daily. You can see how your money is growing daily, right? Some is weekly, some is monthly, and some is quarterly, right? So you have it at your fingertips to check how your money is doing. You can see the growth and the movement in your money every day or every week or every quarter, as the case may be. And then the last one will be to reinvest or withdraw. My advice is for you to check reinvest dividend. Why? Because when you reinvest your dividend or when you reinvest your returns, you take proper advantage of compound interest. And compound interest is your interest earns interest, and the interest on your interest earns interest as well. So ensure that you reinvest your dividend and ensure that you invest consistently. You can choose to add money. So it's more like a savings account, right? You transfer money, you can transfer money into it daily, weekly, monthly, quarterly, as the case may be. But invest consistently and ensure that you reinvest your dividend. So let me recap. Number one is to choose a fund as recommended money market fund. Number two is to research fund managers. Check the past performance of the fund, check their management fee, check their withdrawal policy, and the likes. Number three is to open an account with them. So make sure you have all the requirements needed. Number 4 is to transfer money into your account. Number 5 is to track your investments, and number 6 is to reinvest your dividend, as the case may be. Now, let's talk about the mistakes that you need to avoid. Number 1, common mistakes that you need to avoid when investing in mutual fund. Number 1 is not researching the fund enough. You need to check the past performance. You need to research the fund managers. Do your due diligence. Number 2 is ignoring management fee. Just because you see that a fund is doing 25% per annum, check if they charge management fee. Some, like FSDH, they don't charge management fee, right? And then he's expecting overnight profit. No, money market fund grows gradually. Don't expect overnight profit. And then another one is not investing consistently. Yes, if you put your money there once, your money is going to grow. But imagine that you put money, you set aside an amount, you put in this account monthly, and then there is accumulation of interest on your capital and interest. So you are increasing your chance of enjoying compound interest very well. So there you have it. With just 5,000 naira, you can start building wealth through mutual funds. No excuses at all. And this is one of the best beginner friendly investments for you. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and drop a comment. If you have any question whatsoever regarding this money market one, please drop it in the comment section and I'll be so glad to help you. My name is Doyinsola Toye once again. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video.